Hello guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to unauthorize an app on Discord. So what you need to do is go to user settings and you need to go here, authorized apps. Now you can see everything that has some kind of access on your Discord, some kind of info. For example, voice mode app it has access to my username, avatar, and banner, access to my email address, and access to my third-party connections. Now, this part may be worrying you, access to your email address. What does it mean? Can it send things from my email? Can it change my passwords? No, it only means that it can send you, messages to your email. For example, I don't know, it can message you on your email. It cannot message from your email another person. It can only message you. But yeah, if you don't like that, you can always de-authorize this app. But yeah, pretty much every Discord minigame will have some authorization right here, and pretty much every bot that you add to a Discord server will also have authorization. If you don't like it, de-authorize it, but I think you will not be able to use it again. For example, this is a music bot, and if I disable this, well, I don't think I will be able to use it. Same thing goes for these minigames like Gartic Phone. If I disable it, I will not be able to play it again. Well, I will, but if I try to play it, it will tell me that I need to authorize it again. Anyhow, guys, I'm sorry for mispronouncing it so many times. If you like this video, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more simple tutorials just like this, subscribe. Anyhow, guys, have a nice day.